So I'm here with Amy. Amy, you came in with excruciating radiating pain into your calf coming from your lower back and disc, and you just finished the Laser Disc Decompression series. What would you say your experience was like?
It was, well, at first, I'm going to be honest, I didn't really see a change until halfway through. I came in like crying a lot to Dr. Bogart. So not only was he amazing chiropractor, but he was also like a therapist, and I got very discouraged. But I do have to say, like, I'm leaving today at a 1 and I was at a 10 all the time. The staff is amazing. Jody's amazing. I got to know her very well. And I used to say, just put a 10. Don't even ask me, just put a 10. And now I'm like just happy to leave, and I will recommend him to everybody, this whole practice. And I feel like it's a family, and I will be back once a week and then once a month. So it's like I can't leave. So I love coming. It became part of my routine.
Oh, that's great. Thanks, Amy. Would you recommend this to other people?
Of course, absolutely.
Great. Thank you.
Yes.